Want to try affiliate marketing as your new side hustle and make $3,000 per month every single month? Then this 4-part series on affiliate marketing for beginners is for you. I'll explain how it actually works from somebody who isn't selling you anything, but who got her start in affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Louise Hendon, and I quit my 9-to-5 to become an entrepreneur and travel the world with my husband. 4 profitable businesses and 3 successful exits later, I'm here to share my experiences with you and help you achieve your dream life. In part 1 of the series, I'm going to cover what is affiliate marketing along with some examples. In part 2, I'll cover some of the pitfalls to avoid if you choose affiliate marketing as a new side hustle. In part 3, I'll give you a step-by-step guide of how to get started in affiliate marketing. And in part 4, I'll explain how you can use affiliate marketing as a stepping stone to starting your own business. So please follow me so you can catch all the parts. Affiliate marketing is where you tell someone about a product, they purchase a product, and then you make a commission from that sale. For example, if I recommend this email product to all my TikTok followers, I'll give them a unique link to purchase it from. And for each purchase made through that link, I'll make around 40% commission, which is just over $300. So if 10 people purchased it in 1 month, I'll make $3,000 that month. And here's a product that's been one of the most popular affiliate products in the health niche for the last few years. It's a keto meal plan. The commission percentage is much higher for this product, 85%. But because the price of the product is lower, you only make around $25 per sale. However, there's a huge market for this product, so you could be making 100 sales of just this one product each month. This all sounds great, right? Well, there are some pitfalls to affiliate marketing, and I'm going to cover those in part 2, so make sure you tap follow.